Morning everybody, let's get out the sun. First, straight away, unprofessional welcome. My name is Tony Smith and welcome to my garden. I'm on a mission today. I've got some things that I need to do and let's just head down and get them done. I'll tell you what they are. As you know, we've now converted over to the kind of the winter lettuce over here. Just planted, can you see all that? All going strong. Just planted the oak leaf Nirvana there. Everything there, all the winter salads are good. But I've still got all this. Now these are just from the first batch of seeds that I've done. What's just left, and it seems just, you know, such a waste to kind of just leave them. So especially like say the little gem, I mean they're there now. This is the little gem, you know, how much they've grown on, do you know? So those ones have just been held back, so I might be able to get them a little bit later in the season. And again, they've got the freckles, I've got the winter density, marvel of 4 seasons, some more oak leaf. And the mission, should you choose it, Tony, is to get them out and just put them out. You know what I mean? I'm not even bothered where they go, just plant them out. And if you can just look there, I popped some spare ones that I had just in the ground, and you never know. And I'm not going to, you know, mess with them. There's some inter-red. I'm not going to cover them or fleece them or anything like that. I'm just going to put them out and pick them as much as I can for as long as I can before the kind of winter comes and takes them over. And then it'll just go, you know, for green, for the manure, you know, for the compost. That's the idea today. So with a trusty pencil, see the video up there for the best label markers and some labels, we will go and start planting these out. So now I think these are the inter-red that actually haven't got a label, but they look very much similar to those inter-red there. So I think this will be the first batch to go out. And like I say, I'm not bothered where they go. If they come, I just want to be honest, I want to just spend time in the garden. That's as simple as that. I'll just clear away this little section here, just ready for it. I've still got a couple of beetroots in there that I can take home. He's not on that one, but there's still actually some there, so I'll put them to one side. This plant up, there's a nice beetroot there as well. Get this up. Oh. So I'm not going to do anything special really, and I recommend doing this, you know, if you have got just little bits lying around, just get it out for the sake of it, you know what I mean? Get you in the garden. Why not? I might actually get a few different salads in here. So hopefully, and I'm going to try and get them all in. That's the mission today, is to try and get every plant done. Just banging them in as close to, well, not as close to us, but I'm certainly not worried about how big they'll grow, as long as they grow. In fact, I'm just going to bring them all out. Like I say, I'll just be potting them, shoving them where I can. Right. I think we'll get some freckles in there now. It's surprising how many, you know, you can get from like one little tray of seeds. How many you actually think you're planting and plant. But If I can get 1 or 2 pickings, that would be lovely, to be honest. Now, if even this bed just turned out to be so closely packed in that it turned into like a pick and come, bed, that would be fantastic. They could have so easily just gone on the compost pile, you know what I mean? But we'll give them a chance. We'll see how they go. Like I say, they ain't getting protected, they're just getting, that's it. That's all the love and attention they're gonna get. 1 water, and that's it. So I know I've got a spare bed over there next to the bees. So we'll try and get as much as this in as we can over there. Actually, I've got 2 beds. I've got this little one just here, little partial one. This was actually going to be for onions, but I've done my onions elsewhere, so get planting. I was shoving little cabbages in here, but they seem to be no good. I'll leave that one. Right, I think we'll go for little gems. I've got hundreds of them. Man, I've got to say I've even got, there's about 20 or 30 grown already, you know. So I think these will be more for the compost. There you go, can you see without me shadow in there? I feel like a market garden centre. Just blasting. I get a little, I think I've got a couple of the oak leaf Nirvana. I can just stick there in that little gap there. Right, what have I got left? Marvel of 4 Seasons and some Radicchio, which I'll just bang in there. I don't need it, I can't think. I've still got the spare potato bed if something comes along, but for now, because like I say, I can just pull these up. Do you know what I mean? They're not going to be in the way or anything like that. Right, Marvel of 4 Seasons. Get this in. That's one thing about this oak, this floor and stuff, this wood chip, it hurts, mind you, when you sit, you know, when you're on it. There you go, I've literally just banged them in there as quick as I can, just because they're all, I didn't want to be here too long. Well, there's all the trays that I kind of set out to do. They're all planted. I'll give them a wash next time, shall I? So what have I got left? I'm going to put them out. I'm going to put it out. I don't know what they are. Those are, to be honest, I cannot have any more Radicchio salad. Actually, they're turning into little Radicchios there now. That was, see, they've got a good, well, it'll be good compost. I'll stick them out. Come on, then. Let's, bloody hell, man. I thought that was it. I've peeled my hands and everything. Right, oh, look at, I've even got a kohlrabi there, but I don't know if that actually is. Can you see it there? Sorry, I've got that covered. No, I don't think it is. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna plant that. Everyone's probably saying, well, what about the bloody grapes? Ah, another time, another time. So, you know, I push some salad in here. What are these? Mustard season? Marvel, sorry, I just wondering if that's me right there. Marvel of 4 Seasons there as well. So, I don't know what these are, but I'm just gonna, just for the sake of the video there, put it in. You never know. That's that one. Oh no, let's just bang it in here. Then we've got just this Radicchio, which is a little bit left next to the other Radicchio, and then I'm done. Again, I want to I want to get this in as quick as I can. I've had these in the polytunnel for bloody ages, to be honest. To be honest, I'm really pleased with myself. Oh, I am. Just like you say, give them a chance. Do you know what I mean? And even if it's just like the whole lot is just compost, it's better a little bit bigger compost, but we'll see. Especially them ridiculous, like I say, they might not come to anything, but at least they're gonna have a chance in the big bad world. That's it, I'm finished. Look after yourselves, take good care.